Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable MPRT on KOORUI 24E4. MPRT is moving picture response time, and when enabled reduces the motion blur, which is quite great. And to enable it, go to M button to go to the menu, then use the right arrow twice to go to game and click on E button to enter that menu. Now if MPRT is grayed out, I'll tell you about it in a moment, but first let's enable it. You can see in my case it's not grayed out, so that I can click on E and you can turn it on or off. Let's turn it on, and now it is on, but it is a bit flickering, so I'll just disable it because on camera it doesn't look the greatest. Now if it's grayed out, it means that in Windows or in any system that you're using, you most probably have 60 Hz enabled, and I can show you how to do it on Windows. On any other type of operating system you need to do it yourself, yeah, you will need to go to the settings in Windows, then go to System and go to Display. Now scroll down to Advanced Display and you'll see the display to choose. I'll select the 24E4 because that's the display I'm gonna be adjusting the refresh rate for, and you can see there is the refresh rate. And for some reason I don't have the 165 Hz option here, which is supported on this monitor. Maybe it's because of the cable or because of something else, yeah, I found the 144 Hz not to work, so I just set it to 120, and if you have it set to something like 60, then most probably MPRT will be grayed out. So make sure it's set to 120 Hz, and at least, or if you have 165 Hz supported here, then select that and MPRT should be available. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.